Today we'll be walking through the usage of the term microvision 1 with Splunk, SOAR, and some of the actions that can be done manually and associated to the Vision 1 applications such as the workbench, sandbox analysis, and response management. Now, let's perform a different action related to the sandbox analysis. For example, if you want to check the analysis of the submission, for instance, I'm gonna have the submission ID. For you to be able to get the submission ID, you can go to Threat Intelligence and then select one of the submission ID. So I'm gonna get, I have this task ID and then just launch. And then from here, once it is completed, you'll be able to see the result of that one. And with that action, you can perform sub actions as well associated on that. So here, for the sandbox analysis, you can download the report and check the sandbox analysis result, even the investigation package, and then list all the IOC of the um, object that was submitted to the sandbox. So let's take, for instance, download analysis report and then just launch it. And here you're going to see that it has been completed as well. And on the same submission ID, you can perform other action. Let's perform sandbox investigation package as well. And then just launch it. And you'll be able to see that it has been generated. Another one that we can do is suspicious list. On this one, we're gonna see all the IOCs related on that object itself. So here, you'll be able to see the submission ID, the risk level, and the completion date time, and what type of IOC it is, and its value. So if you remember earlier, we generated a investigation package and analysis report. If you want to take a look of those files, you need to go to Files tab, wherein you'll be able to see the PDF, which is associated on the analysis report, and the .zip is the investigation package. And you can be able to download those files as well. And the power of the Splunk SOAR as well, together with the Trimerica Vision 1 integration, you can be able to tag it as evidence or add to case if you're doing a investigation or forensic analysis as well.